Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. So today we'll be talking about the four major importance of management in an organization. Next, this is the members of my group which is United. The content that we will be going through is introduction, importance of management in an organization, conclusion and reference. First thing first, let's see our introduction. Well, for introduction, I'll be talking about what is management. Well, management is an individual in a organization who holds a position of authority and makes decisions about the allocation of resources. Second, management is getting the work done through the efforts of others and effective utilization of human and material resources to achieve the enterprise objective. Third, management also can be described as the process of planning, organizing, leading, controlling resources to achieve specific objective efficiently and effectively. Next, let's look at the example. Well, the first example is where in company, the manager distributes tasks to team members and ensure the work is completed efficiently. This reflects the idea that management is getting the work done through the efforts of others. Our second example is where a manager coordinates between the finance and marketing department to reduce delays and ensure smooth operations, which supports the statement that management is acts as a bridge between different departments. Now let's look at four major importance of management in an organization.
For my part, I'm going to talk about optimal utilization of resources. And for SWOT analysis, I would say mine is strength. So, optimal utilization of resources or effective use of resources is one of the greatest responsibilities of good management. Land, labor, capital, or technology with good management of these resources can be different between a solid organization and barely managing. Maximizing resources also contributes to the establishment of an environment conducive to the organization's sustainability. So, one of the most efficient strategies for realizing effective resources use is through optimization. So, when materials are optimized, productivity can significantly improve. So for an instance, the manufacturing sector, such as Toyota renowned just-in-time production system, can be observed. JIT is referred to the production's goods to meet customer demand exactly in time, quality, and quantity, whether the customer is the final purchaser of the product or another process further along the production line. Basically, production is based on actual customer demand, not estimates. Cars are assembled only when parts arrive exactly on time, and Toyota is constantly ranked among the most reliable car brands globally. So,
Hazifitri bin Zahimi, I will present the weaknesses of Toyota Motor Corporation. Based on the slide, Toyota has some internal weaknesses in its management system. As a large global company, Toyota has a complex management structure. This makes the decision-making process slower and sometimes less effective. Because of this, Toyota may find it difficult to identify, analyze, and solve problems quickly. This can affect issues such as service quality, cost management, working conditions, and limited resources. For example, related to my case, in 2011, Toyota identified weaknesses in its management system. At that time, the company had 27 board directors and a multi-level executive structure. This situation slowed down strategic decision-making and reduced organization responsiveness. Thank you.
Hi everyone, and my name is Putrino Adawia. I'm going to explain how achieving objective help an organization to identify opportunities through SWOT analysis. So based on the case study of Toyota Motor Corporation, we can clearly see that objective allow the company to focus on the future growth and long-term sustainability. Toyota emphasized innovation, customer satisfaction, and continuous improvement as part of its objective in order to remain competitive in the global market. And by leveraging these opportunities, Toyota is able to produce high quality products, improve operational efficiency, and meet the customer needs in cost effective way. And in addition, clear objectives help the company predict future outcomes, allocate resources effectively, and solve the problems within the organization. And of course, achieving objective plays an important role in ensuring business success and maintaining Toyota's strong position in the industry.
This slide presents the threats faced by Toyota in creating and sustaining a positive working environment. Toyota operates in a highly competitive global automotive industry, which increases pressure to maintain performance, efficiency, and innovation. Economic uncertainty and rising operational costs further challenge organizational stability. In addition, rapid technological changes require continuous upskilling, which may increase employee workload and stress. This external pressure can negatively impact the work environment, leading to higher job stress, reduced motivation, and lower job satisfaction among employees. Over time, such conditions may make it difficult to sustain teamwork, employee engagement, and work-life balance. Therefore, effective management strategies are essential to mitigate these threats and ensure that employee well-being is not compromised while achieving organizational goals. That's all for me. Thank you.
To conclude, building a supportive work culture characterized by trust, respect, and open communications. It strengthens teamwork, motivates employees, reduces turnover, and as demonstrated by Toyota, it shows that sound management goes beyond merely running a business by effectively mobilizing people and resources for long-term success. This is the list of reference materials that we use for this presentation. I hope that we have made everything clear about what management is in this presentation. Thank you for listening.